Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are tackling the mobile home outdoor project. This project has been long overdue. We are about to get ready to set up a play area for the swing set. So we're going to put the rubber mulch down. We had this rubber mulch for about 7 months. We done had it for a long time. So we're just starting to put the wood together to frame it out. We bought those from Home Depot, and the little cinder blocks also came from Home Depot, and we felt like this would be an easy way where we didn't have to hammer and nail, and they were only $3 a piece, so they work really good, and they are very renter friendly. Or if you decide that it's a temporary thing and you want to move it, you can. It'll be easy to take down and move wherever you need to move it to. So this option was really good for us. So right here, we're just laying the landscape fabric down. And the wind was blowing like super hard this day. But we are just putting it and kind of like nailing tacking the fabric into the ground. So now we're about to get ready to move the swing set into the square. And that thing was kind of heavy, so I was glad this was able to move. He really moved it. I was just there for support because he had to wind up bringing it around. We left the little gold part out because we wanted to be outside the box so that she can kick the ball and not worry on a flat surface instead of the rubber mulch. Right here, that's when we realized, like, oh my God, the square is just way too small. And that we needed to make it bigger in order, like if she swing or she jump or something, she won't be landing on the wood pieces or whatever. So for temporary access, we had wound up having some scrap wood laying around. So we had just did it like that until we could go back and get some more material. So right here, it's a couple days later, and that's how we stretched it out. We did buy some more rubber mulch, but we haven't finished it up yet. Okay, so we're moving on to my side yard garden. Right here, I moved a dead tree out of that pot, and I'm just pulling out all the roots so that I can use the soil, because there's no need to get rid of the soil. So I dug up all the roots that were in there, and then I just put some fertilizer and some fish emulsion and things like that to get the soil back revived. So I purchased some citrus trees, I think that's a kind of like orange lemon, and 2 lemon trees. So I've had my citrus trees for a while, and they've came back, but they always were really small. Anyway, they wound up dying. So I decided to invest in some bigger ones, and this year we definitely will be putting a greenhouse out there, and we decided to leave the citrus trees in a pot so that they will be easily moved in the winter. Now I have quite a bit of trees out there. I have 3 plum trees, 4 apple trees, 2 peach trees, and 2 pear trees, and then the new citrus trees that I had added. I had 2 figs, but they both died. And then I had, of course, lemon and lime, but they died. So, and I had a pomegranate tree. It died. And I had a banana tree. It died. So, I will be buying trees that are kind of more mature than the ones that I brought last year. And some of these trees have been, I think they're on their 3rd year of being out there. So, I will be bringing you guys along to show you, what they do this year, because last year they did not fruit just because of the hard freeze that we had late in the season. So this year I have seen quite a bit of fruit on some of those fruit trees, so I'm super excited and I can't wait to share the journey with you guys. I also planted over in that bed that I'm watering was some bell pepper and onion and some marigolds. So I pretty much cut what I could cut, and then Des cut the rest of the yard for me. So in this bed, I planted some tomatoes and onions, and also some marigolds. And this is pretty much the end of the video. I'm saving the rest for another time. I hope you guys come back. And I hope you enjoyed the video for today. Thank you guys for watching. And let me know if you want to see more garden content, more outdoor content, because we got a lot of stuff coming. And just let me know what you guys think so far. All right. Peace.